Equitas Small Finance Bank. This bank is offering an interest rate of 9% on fixed deposit. 9% is comparatively very good interest rate. So in this video, we will be seeing all about Equitas Small Finance Bank, fixed deposit interest rate, saving account interest rate and recurring deposit interest rate. So stay tuned for more information. Let's start with fixed deposits. For a tenure of 7 days to 364 days, general public can get up to 3.50% to 6.25%. For the same tenure, seniors, the interest rate ranges from 4% to 6.75%. For deposits maturing between 1 year to 18 months, except 444 days, the interest rate offered to general public is 8.20% and senior citizen it is 8.70%. For 444 days, 8.5% to general public and 9% to senior citizens. 18 months 1 day to 2 years, 7.75 for general public and 8.25 for senior citizens. 2 years to 3 years except 888 days, general public will get 8% interest and senior citizens will get 8.5%. For 888 days, general public will get 8.5% and senior citizens will get 9% interest. For deposits maturing between 3 years 1 day to 4 years, 7.5 for general public, 8% for senior citizens. 4 year 1 day to 10 years, 7.25 for general public, 7.75 for senior citizen. These rates are effective 5th June 2023. This bank also provides nomination facility and there will be no penalty on premature withdrawal above 6 months. So from this list we see that highest interest rate of 9% is given for a tenure of 444 days and 888 days. Whereas general public, the highest interest rate is 8.50% for the same tenure, that is 444 days and 888 days. So for these two tenures, highest rate of 8.5 and 9% is offered by this bank. Let's now see the saving account interest rate. For a balance up to 1 lakh, the interest rate is 3.50%. For a balance between 1 lakh to up to 5 lakh, 5.25%, and above 5 lakhs, this bank offers 7% interest. Let's now see the recurring deposit interest rate. For 12, 15 and 18 months, the interest rate is 8.20%. And for 21 and 24 months, interest rate is 7.75%. For 30 months and 36 months, interest rate would be 8%. 48 months, the interest rate is 7.50%. For 60 months, 90 months and 120 months, the interest rate is 7.25%. Additional 0.50% will be given for senior citizens. If you are planning to do fixed deposit in Equitas Small Finance Bank, please do watch this video before you invest in Small Finance Bank. You can also compare the fixed deposit interest rate with other small finance bank interest rate by watching this video on your screen. If you feel this information was helpful, then please leave a like and share it with your friends. If you have any doubts, you can write us to yourschemes@gmail.com or you can leave a comment. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.